Hello friends, welcome to the video. Today I am going to do an experiment to prove the concept weightlessness in free fall. That means whenever the body comes in the free fall state, the weight of the body is zero. To do the experiment, I have taken two identical magnets of the same size, and next I have taken a medicine cover box from which I have cut a small element of it with the help of scissors to get this type of the frame. Now I am going to rest these magnets, one at the upper plane of this frame and next at the lower frame of the plane. I have made these magnets rest in such a way that the opposite poles or the unlike poles face towards one another, in such a way that if I brought one magnet near to the next magnet, then the magnet gets attracted. Now I am going to drop this frame. And we have to observe what happens to this system. I will show this frame, the motion of this frame in the slow motion as well. Let us first observe this motion of this system, and later on I will try to explain this phenomenon. So we have observed the motion of the system in the slow motion as well, and what we have observed here is, as soon as I drop the system, the lower magnets get attracted by the lower magnet. Why does this phenomena occur? Let us try to understand this in this way. Initially, when I am holding this system, the forces that is acting in the lower magnet is the weight in the downward direction, the normal force which is exerted on the magnet by this lower plane in the upward direction, and the next force is the attracting magnetic force due to the presence of the upward magnet. Here the effect of magnetic force in the upward direction is getting cancelled out by the effect of the weight in the downward direction. That's why as the weight cancels out the effect of the magnetic force in the upward direction, the lower magnet do not get attracted by the upward magnet in this initial condition when I am holding this system. But as soon as I drop it and the system comes in the free fall state, then we know the concept. If the system or if any object come in the free fall state, then the weight of the object becomes zero. Here in the free fall state, this whole system's weight is zero, and that's why the lower magnet weight is also zero. In this free fall state, the weight is zero, and only the presence of the force is the upward force, that is the magnetic force. Here in the downward direction there is no any force to cancel the effect of the magnetic force. That's why in the free fall state, due to the presence of only the magnetic force and no weight, the magnet get attracted in the upward direction due to the magnetic force. And this is the reason why the magnet gets attracted by the upward magnet in the free fall state. I hope you have understood the concept of this experiment, and I also hope that you have liked this video, you have enjoyed this video. If it is so, then please subscribe to the channel and also share this video among your friends, and next time I will be back with next interesting video. Thank you.